feeling sassy today. And that's why I'm sharing with you my favorite arm styling for the salsa right turn. This style is not only easy to learn, but it can also be modified into 4 different variations. Yes, you guessed it right, starting from cute and flirtatious to the next level of sassiness. Are you ready? Let's do it. My name is Dalia and I'm your dance bestie. I'm a professional Latin dancer and I specialize in salsa and bachata. Alright, I promise you I will share with you my favorite arm styling for the right turn. Why is it my favorite? Well, for the simple reason that it's one, but it can be modified into different variations. So there you go. It looks like you have 4 different styles just by emphasizing in different numbers or in different parts. It's gonna look completely different. It's gonna give a different effect. So are you ready to get started? Let's do it. All right, so we start with just the arm styling. Yes, we're not going to do any footwork or anything. So first I'm going to do it like this so you can just mirror me. Yeah, so with your right hand you start by cutting yourself in the middle and then go all the way up and then comb your hair. Your other hand, because it's not doing anything, is going to be right here. So we go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right. Now that we saw the arm styling, we're going to do it to the turn, and for that it's easier that I turn around. So just copy me. I'm going to be here, right? With your right hand, the other one goes in the waist. So we're going to do this one, the regular salsa spin, which is 1, 2, 3, regular salsa turn spin. And then we go 5, 6, 7, okay? So one more time. We cut ourselves in the middle. We go 1, 2, 3. By 4, we are already touching our ear, right? And then we go 5, 6, 7. All right. Okay, so after that, we're going to do exactly the same thing, but now with 2 arms. That's the second variation, right? So cut yourself in the middle, all the way up, 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 cross behind, and then comb your hair. The timing is going to be 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right, so let's try it. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right, so now let's get to learn variation number 3. It's super simple. It's going to be exactly the same arm, you guys. In this situation, we're going to add a little bit of sassiness. Yes, so I go 1, 2, 3, and instead of doing the salsa turn here, I'm going to come towards you, show a little booty, and then turn. Okay? All right, this is the turn that we learned at the very beginning of our salsa, yes? The 3-step turn. 3, 5, 6, 7. But we're adding a little bit of sassiness by just showing the booty. Now with the arms, I'm going to do the regular arm, which is my right, yes? You're going to see it differently, but I just want you to have the complete visual, and then I turn around so you can do it together with me. So we're here. A hand that is free, you put it on your waist, yes? The hand that is not free, you cut yourself in the middle. So let's try it again. Also the difference here is that you're going to hold the hand all the way up to 5. Let me show you. So we go 1, 2, 3. Before we were doing here 5. Now we're gonna go 5, yes, and then 6, 7. So you don't comb your hair until 6. All right, let's do it together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Eso. And you can even give the sassy look. Yes? Booty and sassy look. Yes. Okay, now let's do number 2 of this version, which means version number 4. Let's not make it complicated. Number 4. All right, so with 2 arms. Ready? Same turn, which is the turnaround. 3 steps, yes, and then we go 1, 2, 3. Hold it all the way until 5. Show the booty. Look at him. And 5, 6, 7. All right, now let's get to do it to the count. I'm gonna turn around. You know it's easier. Okay, so first we have the cutting yourself in the middle. Toss your hair on 3. Yeah, and then 2 hands, and on 3, and then we have 1 hand, and then showing the booty. Yeah, holding the hand all the way up to 5, and then 6, you touch your ear, and then 2 hands. We go all the way to 5, showing booty, and 6, you touch your hair. Ready? 5, 6, 7, basic first, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, basic, 1, 2, 3, 2 hands, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, basic, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1 hand, hold it up to 5, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 2 hands, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. All right, ladies, now to the music.